me see your tongue. Clean it off and then let me see it again. You take all the saliva off of it.
Oh my heavens.
Gosh. Alright, go ahead. You got any more cracks in there? Let's see. Go ahead. How do you do it?
I know this is weird, but I'll do this too.
That's awesome.
What is going on, crack addicts? Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be posting a wide variety of chiropractic adjustments from some of your favorite chiropractors with some new additions. Also, all of their links will be in the description. That's where you can check them out directly. Now let's get into it and I'll see you on the next one. Up next, we have Dr. Brent Binder.
Well, people usually don't come here and tell me how good they're feeling, so how can I help you today?
Well, for when I have scoliosis, I crack everything constantly. But sometimes I'll get like really bad headaches if I like crack it in a weird way.
All right, how long have you been having these headaches for?
Yeah, probably only like a couple years.
All right, so what do you do to make the headache better?
Just ride it out.
You ride it out?
Yeah.
I mean, do you have to go lay down somewhere or do you just deal with it?
Yeah, like in the dark.
So have you ever noticed any differences with your headaches when you're on your period? Before or after?
I don't have a period.
Okay.
No.
Why don't you have a period?
Because I'm on birth control.
Okay.
Yeah. So I don't know, like timing wise. Yeah.
So is there any other factors of the headache? Do you ever have any numbness or tingling in your face, in your ears?
I don't think so.
Mm-hmm. No other traumas, no other hospitalizations? No other kind of pain, shoulder, elbow, wrist, knee. No. Have you ever been adjusted before?
Been what?
Have you ever been adjusted before?
I can't wait.
You're excited, good.
I'm so excited.
Are you nervous at all?
No. I just want to, like, give it to me rough. Like, let's do it.
Right or left?
A little bit more on the right.
Okay, let's check the motion here. Lean back into my fingers. Good, come back. Pain there?
No, not that bad.
Okay, I'm gonna test the SI joint. Okay. Just kind of come back like this. Pain there on my thumb?
Can you do it again? It's not bad.
You would feel it. It would be obvious. Okay, open, close. Just the right leg. Just the right leg. Good, close. All right, so we've got movement on the left, but not as much movement on the right here. Feels like it's actually more rotated than it is curved. Did they take x-rays of it when you were a kid?
No, it was just kind of like a quick like thing and nothing was really done about it or said about it. Am I doing it right?
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, there's more rotation on the right side here. The right ilium is moving, but the left side remains flat. Okay, stop. You're gonna feel my fingers on the back of your legs.
Okay.
I'm gonna trace this up to your glutes. So the right side is lower, saying it's potentially gone posterior and inferior. The left side is higher, meaning it rotated anterior superior. Looking from the top view, the right side is more rounded, which means it's gone EX. So PI, EX, ASIN, potentially. All right, let's do Adam's sign. And then, if this can be visualized, I'm not sure, but the left side is just a little bit higher than the right side. Okay, go ahead and stand up.
So exciting. And now what's gonna suck is like whenever I crack myself, it's gonna like you're gonna ruin me from me doing it myself.
Good. All right, let's do this now. I'm gonna test your lumbar spine. So what I'm gonna need you to do, keeping your knees straight.
Lift this leg in the air.
Good, down. Left. Down. Which side is easier?
I think left.
Tender?
Very.
More than this side?
On the right side is a lot worse.
Good, let it all sink in, let it all go.
Yeah, it was great.
Okay, and out. All right, so let your shoulders relax. Good. And breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Good. Let this come down. Good. Side like this. Good. Just like that. Let this all go. Hold the slouch. Good. Just like that. Good. Keep breathing.
Ooh.
What I do, Julia, is bring it down like this, and then push in that direction, okay?
Okay.
Okay, same thing. Deep breath in and out. Good.
Oh my heavens. Woo-hoo-hoo. That was something.
On your
Oh,
back.
I feel...
Now turn your head to the left. Bring your right ear down to your right shoulder. Bring your left ear to your left shoulder. Tuck your chin to your chest. So we're dropping, just letting it go. Let me do all the work. Good. Okay, take a deep breath in through your nose. Now through your mouth. Okay, so let's test the left side here. Just let your shoulders and head just sink in.
All of that hurts.
Yeah,
by the
every
way.
single one of them almost.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to find the most important one. All right, let the head relax here. That's good. Okay, nice soft breath in through your nose and out. Gosh.
I think I'm paralyzed.
Move your toes.
No. It's not nearly as intense as when I do it myself. Or, I mean, like, that was more intense.
And I'm gonna lift your head like this. Good. And then I'm gonna stretch it in this direction. Lift again and then pull it like that, okay?
I already felt some give there. I felt that.
You're gonna open your jaw. All the way. Close. Open slowly. Close. All right, push your jaw to the right. All right, close your eyes. Ooh.
That was life-changing. Wow.
Okay, open. Close. Push to the left. Push your jaw to the left. Now, how's that feel?
Much better.
All right, go ahead. You got any more cracks in there? Let's see. Go ahead. How do you do it?
I know this is weird, but I'll do this too.
That's awesome.
Ooh.
Just kind of let this relax. Good. Okay, hold your knees together. Hold them together.
Oh, okay.
Okay, hold them together. Hard. Hold them hard.
That was like up through here.
Okay. Tender.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, breathe in through your nose. Good, and out. Breathe into your belly. Fill your belly up with air as you breathe in. Good. Out. This is what you need to be cracking on yourself, your ileocecal valve. Same thing, find your belly button and your hip bone, right?
Okay.
Connect the line right into the middle, and then usually go straight down from there. Yours is a little bit more inferior or further down.
Okay.
Not so bad, right? Does that feel better?
Yeah, it does.
What's the snake mean?
It represents loss of innocence.
Okay, let this relax. See if we can do it to that one. Damn, dude.
Are you impressed?
I am, dude. That's deep.
They say that it has to do with writer's block or something like that. But like some people say like if you're having like writer's block or like, and I don't know, so like stuck or it's good to crack it. I don't know. Sorry.
Did you just get tingles?
Yeah.
Okay, look straight ahead. Let me see your tongue. Clean it off and then let me see it again.
Clean it off.
Yeah, like just like you take all the saliva off of it. Okay. There's some candida going on your tongue. And it would help significantly in all aspects of your life if you did a sugar cleanse. 14 days, no sugar. You can do it. 2 weeks.
I love sugar.
Yeah. And so when you eat the sugar.
Is that why sometimes I have bad breath, you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why I chew gum all the time.
It's not coming from your mouth.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more.